I want you to look at all of these payments that are coming through PayPal, and as you can see, this is 5 PayPal redeemed, and you can also see Amazon and other payment method, and it is from different country. This payment is $50, and as you can see, people are redeeming this every single second, and I'm going to show you how you can do the same. It keeps going on. This is in a different Indian rupees, so stay tuned and make sure if you guys are new to tap that like and subscribe, and also make sure to watch this entire video so you get notified whenever I release a new video. And the website that we're going to be going to, it's called Neobox, and this is the website that we are going to be showing you guys how you can make money with. And as it says, earn money now, and you can do so many stuff. You can get paid using PayPal, you can get paid through bank transfer, you can also get paid through Neteller, which is very interesting. And I'm going to also show you how you can sign up, which is very simple. Whenever you click on this button, you will come into this page. All right, now here it says you are just a few minutes away from changing the way you make money, and all you have to do is by just clicking. All right, now unlike other website, we will always offer the best possible reward for your activities in a safe. And at Neobox, you get paid to take survey, work on crowdsourcing tasks, mini jobs, view advertisement, complete quizzes, play games, and more. Now this is the website that I'm going to show you, and if you stick around and watch this until the end, I'm going to also show you how you can make way more money by showing you the leveraging and a really nice way, and also many bonuses coming out to you at the end. Now what we have to do is we're just gonna come and sign up. All right, I'm gonna make an account in front of you guys so that you guys know, and we're gonna be adding email and referral. But I don't have a referral for you guys, because I'm here to only show you guys how do you can make money, and your birthday and verification code, and then you need to click on these two and then continue, and then you'll come into this page where you have to validate your code. Now where we are going to be coming into the email that we received from, and we are going to be clicking on that, and once we're done, we're just going to paste it in here. Now once we signed up, we are going to be ended up in this page. Now this is a welcome where you can literally it says you can start the survey and you're going to earn 0.3 cent. Now there's many ways that you can make money with this. Now one of them is by viewing advertisement, and there's the second way is by mini jobs, and the third is by doing survey, and there's games and many more. So here's what we're going to be doing with this, which is very simple. First thing, we're going to come into this and view advertisement, and literally here is all you have to do is view ads, and then whenever you view them, you stay on the website for a couple of seconds, and that's pretty much it. So now it says click on the red dots. So once we click that, it will take us to this where we don't have to do anything. We are just going to be staying in here for literally 5 to 10 seconds, and then it says advertisement validated, and I have earned the point. All right, now here's what you have to do. Again, you need to click the dot, and then it will take you to the next advertisement, and you are going to be staying here for 5 seconds, and then it will say here you have been validated, and you can just go get out from here. All right, and basically this is one of them, and there's another advertisement that here it says fixed. You can also do micro exposure where you can also earn way more money. Now we are going to come into the next way, which is called mini jobs. Now basically what this is all about is all you have to do is by just accepting doing different tasks, like similar to making a Google account and other stuff like that. So here's what we have to do. For each $1 you earn with mini jobs, you received 18% bonus, where literally what they're saying is if you earn $1, you will get 18% bonus. So the more thing you do, the more you earn. Now, and here's the surveys where everyone knows about surveys. Now here they have many surveys website that they are related to. One of them is literally Polish survey time, your survey, and you can different ways that you can make money with them. And this is the favorite part, where you are able to play games and you can earn money. So easier than that it's not. So what you have to do is you're gonna click in here. You'll be able to play the games. As you can see, there's many games in here. There's cards games, there are arcade games, there's strategy games, there's puzzle game, and words game. And here's, whenever you click them, you're gonna be playing them, and then you're gonna earn money while doing that. So if you stay for a long time and you play, you take more shifts, more, and this pretty much you're gonna be earning money with this simple way. And that's all about it. And here's how you can do it. You're gonna click in there, and then there's gonna be advertisement that come into you, and then you view them, and you're just gonna be earning simply by just watching these ads. And then whenever you watch them, you can earn money as well from that as well. So this is a very interesting way to make money, and you are there. So the way that you're gonna get paid is by when you view advertisement, they earn money, they give you a cut of that money, which is not a lot of money, but depends on how many games you play. So if you're looking to play games, easy games, then this is a way to make money also while playing games. So this is one of the reasons that Neobox gives you money, and there's literally way more stuff. So there's another website, and if you use both of them together, you're literally gonna make more money. So the website that we are gonna be talking about is called LightGPT, and this website is literally similar to Neobox, all right, but they also do you can also earn money by just clicking, which is pay to click, and video ad, and you also view videos, and you also get paid whenever you click on links and view ads. Similar, but they also pay you. They have people are getting paid a lot from here, so you can combine this and this together, and there you go, the money will appear literally. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe. Also make sure to turn that like button. Also make sure to check the link in my bio if you're looking to make full-time income online. And also my free training is also available in the link in my description. Click that, and I'm gonna send you all the details into your email inbox.